Hi and welcome back, and today's video is around the main benefits of a comprehensive estate planning structure. So what do you get? Firstly, the main point, it's a long-term asset protection for your children and grandchildren and possibly great-grandchildren. So it's protection against the 5 main problems which are outlined in other videos, which I won't go into here today. But you get the long-term protection because from the date of inception, the trusts last 125 years and therefore will outlive your children and your grandchildren. Now, the trusts are set up during your lifetime straight away, in actuality, when we deal with clients, and registered with HMRC, so the current rules will apply, as opposed to will trusts where they don't have anything set up and the rules that apply are actually when the person dies. Now, some of the main benefits are married couples can save significant inheritance tax depending upon the value of their main residence. Married couples can also protect one residential nil rate band, which would result in a saving of around £70,000. And married couples with children from a previous relationship, in other words, a blended family, their previous spouse died or they were divorced and they've got children from that previous marriage, can ensure that their own assets are passed to their own children if that's what they want to happen. Okay, but the main point of all of this, other than these inheritance tax saving, is the protection of the assets, because, single people will leave at least 500,000 and sometimes more, depending upon the value of their main residence, to these trusts, and that's if they live a long time. And married couples will potentially leave £1 million plus to these trusts, depending upon when they die. And of course, we've got no idea when someone's going to die, and that's the point. Other benefits are direct allocation of some of your assets to grandchildren's trusts if required. So rather than leaving everything to your children, if you want to leave something directly to your grandchildren on the second death of a married couple or your death if you're single or widowed, then you can do so. The main benefit, however, is that it is immediately effective once it's signed. So there's no 7-year waiting period or anything like that. So for people with high value main residences and the inheritance tax savings that result from that, it's worth putting this in as soon as possible. As a result, we usually do this planning first when we're dealing with our clients once they decide they want to move forward and implement, as they can take up to 3 months to set up and register with HMRC, and if we're splitting the tenancy of a property, also with the land registry. Okay, so those are the main benefits of a comprehensive estate planning structure, and for most people, I would call this a no-brainer. The benefits, and certainly for married couples, significantly outstrip any costs of setting these things up, and they do give people the security of mind at knowing, irrelevant of when they die, that their assets are protected for their family for the long term. And as I said, that's the main point. Okay, thanks for listening, and bye for now. Bye.